For this activity, as for any lab, we need to put our safety goggles on. Okay, we're gonna get a slice of onion and we're gonna peel a small piece of the inside skin. Just a tiny small piece is enough. Make sure it's not folding up. We're gonna put it on our slide. You can make sure it's like one layer of skin on it. We're gonna put a drop of iodine on it because iodine is gonna stain the animal cells. So we'll put, it's a pretty big piece, huh? So I'm gonna put plenty of it on it. 3 drops, I guess. Then we need cover, and the way we put the cover on it, we're gonna put it on a 45-degree angle. Once it touches the liquid, we're gonna drop it. Okay. We're gonna get a piece of tissue and we're gonna try to get the excess iodine out. And the way we do it, I can put it on the side like this, and by capillary motion it's gonna take it away. There we go. A little bit more. Some people wash it off, but I don't think it's necessary. This iodine was pretty light. I don't know why. Very carefully so we don't move anything up. So now our slide is ready to put it under the microscope. I think I see some bubbles here, so I'm gonna try to press on it a little bit. Okay, great. For the microscope, we're gonna make sure that it's at the lowest power, which is the shortest objective lens. We're gonna use the clips right here, pull them up, put the slide underneath, and you guys will work with the group. So one person can hold the clips, the other person can put it on, secure with the clips, and start with the lowest power. See if there's an image. You will use your coarse objective knob, which is the bigger one, first to locate the image, and then you can use your fine adjustment to make the image more sharper. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.